How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and then click on Hide Story and Live, which is in Who Can See Your Content option. Then click on Hide Story and Live From. Select all your followers. After you're done hiding from all the followers, go back and then click on your story option. Add story, what you want to add to your highlight. After you have selected the picture, press on arrow option at the bottom right and then click on share. Press on continue and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on add to highlights. Select highlight or create a new highlight. Press on done at the bottom and you're good to go. After your story has been removed, what you can do is go to your profile, three lines, click on hide story and live, then click on hide story and live again and unhide from all the people. This is how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.